all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going, there's Lucas in the background, he's gonna be my helper today. So today we're going to do something very, very special. We're gonna do a DIY. I always say it right. DIY. I know, I do it just like DIY. DIY. Do it yourself, yeah.
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Jenny, the makeup mom, but today I'm not doing a makeup tutorial or a video. We are doing something else very, very special. Lucas is going to be my helper.
Hi.
And today we have decided, what are we doing, Lucas?
We are doing DIY shirts.
Tie-dye! Woo!
I don't know why.
So what colors do we have?
We have purple, green, blue, and orange.
And orange. So what you're gonna need for this project is you're gonna need your tie-dye. You're gonna need a white shirt. This is our white shirt. We wash them in the wash machine to get all of the finishes off from the factory. That's very important. You don't put it in the dryer though, you leave it damp. Now this is, I'm doing a spiral pattern, so I kind of already sectioned my shirt off. The way you do that is you just turn the shirt really, really tight.
And then this is Landon.
So this is Landon. So what I've done for Landon's kind of thing. I hope this works out. We don't know. Sometimes we're like the fail family.
Yeah.
So we'll see. So also what you're going to need is, this is squeeze bottles with 2 cups of hot water in there. So that's what you're going to need to squirt onto to make a tie-dye.
Yeah.
So we take 2 cups of hot water per 2 tablespoons of the dye.
I'm just gonna go through the elevator right now.
Make sure you wear old clothing. Anyway, so Luke's gonna take the camera now and he's gonna show exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm back upstairs.
So 2 tablespoons of the dye for 2 cups.
Yes. Look at that. Oh, green. Yeah.
Okay, and then when you get that in there, you shake it up. This is purple. So again, 2. Oops, shoot, I got it on the side.
Oh no.
Put a plastic bag down. I'm glad I did that. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Just because I spilled already.
Purple. Let me see. That's nice. Here it is inside the thing. Whoa. That's kind
Pretty.
of cool.
That is a pretty blue at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of the orange. So,
Okay,
and you just like soak the shirt, and you try to stay within the lines, but clearly that didn't work for me.
hey, yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, you got purple? Yeah. Some more purple. Tie-dye is supposed to be messy, so if it don't want other places on the shirt, then I really don't care.
Blue.
Ooh, the stick blue.
Wait, how many more mostly blue on a shirt? Okay. And green. Oh yeah, I'll do more blue over here. Oh yeah,
Okay, and now green.
Looks like a little stick
The
man.
green is green.
Yeah, the green is like super green. Really green. I don't know if these are necessarily colors I'm going to choose, but there was not, I don't know what the boys going to choose.
Okay, so then when that side's done, you take it and you flip it over, trying to remember what colors you kind of did.
You can kind of see on the shirt.
Yeah.
And don't forget, the one in the middle. There's got some. And then the next one, I'm going to do purple again. Tie-dye. Oh, shirt. Okay, so tell me. So then I'm going to take blue. And now I'm going to do the rest of my shirts.
So yeah, so that's kind of what you do. And then you let it kind of drip a little bit. You don't have to let it drip long. Then you take saran wrap. You gotta wrap it up nice and tight. And you put it in the microwave
Microwave?
for 2 minutes.
Microwave. There it is on the inside there.
So I kind of spilled some blue on it, which is okay because I'll just do that blue in that area.
Because blue is probably the blue is like.
You know, I don't know if it's blue, to be honest. It should be a little bit white, though, right? Yeah. Why not? Maybe because it's all blue. Please. You can leave a little white in there. So that's that one. I think that's kind of cool. All the colors like that. Just in the first place. Yep.
No,
The one that was just in the microwave, wrapping it up.
no, the one that has to go in the microwave.
Yeah, that was the one that just went in the microwave. That's Mom's shirt.
Okay, so we're gonna put Landon's in the microwave.
We're gonna do the swirl
Like
on
a
mine.
sausage.
Sausage? Man, that sounded hard.
Put my shirt there. So Lucas wants
A swirl like yours.
a swirl. So, and this is what you do. You go in the middle. You go in the middle, and you go as tight as you can. And you just go around and around.
Close.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then you take your elastic bands, and you go around it. It doesn't got to be perfect.
I like the way you say around.
Around. Doesn't got to be perfect. Okay? How many colors are you doing?
I'm gonna do 4. All of them. 1.
Okay, so we're outside now because we're gonna unwrap this, and this is the finished.
Touch if I had a better.
Still stimming.
Whoa!
Oh my god, that is so cool!
That is sick.
Oh, we'll have to wait and see.
Okay, ready? Big reveal.
No reveal. Here we go.
And oh my god!
That is so cool. So that's just that tie-up method
Yeah, if you want to try that, that's more easier.
for
I
little
find-
kids.
yeah.
That's why I thought Landon would enjoy that.
Yeah, that's more
Like-
easier for little kids.
Yeah. Reveal of Lucas's. Like, I think yours will look cool with the white.
Oh my.
So Lucas left a little bit of white in his.
That looks awesome.
Hot. Yours turned out.
Hi.
So yeah, guys, this is our finished tie-dye shirts. I'll take pictures at the end so you guys can really see them, but I think they turned out really good, and it was a really fun project to do with the kids. I'm happy we did it. I'm probably going to do a couple more things. Landon didn't really get involved, but he loves his shirt. So yeah, we'll take pictures at the end. So if you like this video, what do we do if we like a video?
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe for more videos. Hit that
Bell.
for notifications and you'll get notifications for any future videos. So I think this was a success.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, and follow us on TikTok at Jennifer L.
Maxwell.
Maxwell. Jennifer L. Maxwell. And then you can follow us on Instagram at Jenny the Makeup Mom. I hope you like this video because we had so much fun doing it. Okay, that's it for now. We always say stay safe, healthy, and fabulous.
Bye.
Hi guys, the pictures aren't exactly the best and don't get the whole quality of the shirts, but we had so much fun making them. My shirt has green, purple, and blue in it, and it just looks so amazing. The colors were vibrant before we washed them, but kind of after, I liked it better after we washed them. So yeah, Lucas is really, really, really crazy about his. He can't wait to wear it tomorrow. And Landon's is such a boyish design that he just absolutely fell in love with it. So yeah, I suggest everyone do this with their kids. It was so much fun. Thanks for watching.